Okay, this is three-phase transformer. Okay, three-phase transformer. Okay, so now the connections are made and they are brought out on the upper side for further connection, right? So you can see the connections are brought from primary and secondary winding. Now I need to identify which is the primary and corresponding secondary winding of each phase. For example, if this is primary side, this one, then if for example this is R phase, then if this is secondary winding, which one is the corresponding phase? I don't know. So for this we need to identify the terminals and then only you can make the connection, right? So phasing out method has to be carried out on three-phase transformer to identify the primary and the corresponding winding of each phase, right? So this is achieved by conducting a simple test. What we need to do, we need to have a cell, small battery. This battery is of 1.5 volt, okay, and we need to have a meter which will show the deflection. Either you can have a galvanometer or you can take an AC voltmeter. Okay, so what is the method? You connect this cell in, for example, I am considering this to be primary side, this to be secondary side. So connect this cell in the primary side. So I have connected here. You can see the cell I have connected in this phase, okay, of primary side. Okay, so and at the secondary side I have selected one of the terminal and I have connected this analog meter to it. Okay, I have connected this analog meter on the secondary side. Okay, so on the primary side I have connected the cell and at the secondary side I have connected a voltmeter. Okay, AC voltmeter of 10 volt of 10 volt. So what is the process? Now this is the cell side, okay, primary side is the cell side. So what I am doing, I am trying to connect the cell and then I am removing it. I am connecting the cell, I am removing. That means what I am doing, I am giving 0 volt when I am moving away the terminal, and when I am connecting it, it is 1.5 volt. 0, 1.5, 0, 1.5. That means I am alternating the supply at the primary side. Okay, so the moment I am alternating it, we can see that there is deflection at the secondary side also. Okay. Okay, the moment I am connecting it and I am removing it 0, 1.5, 0, 1.5 like this I am doing. So you can see that there is deflection at the secondary side. Okay, so the phase can be recognized by this way. Now what I will do, I will change the terminal of the secondary side. Okay, let us see that whether the same deflection is shown or not. Okay, let us see whether the same deflection is shown or not. Now I have changed the terminal. Primary I have kept the same and secondary I have changed from this end to this end. Okay, so let us see. Now again I will connect the battery and remove the battery. So you can see that deflection is there, but the magnitude of deflection is very less as compared to earlier case. Okay, the deflection of magnitude is less as compared to earlier case. Now I will change the terminal to this one. Okay, from that end to this I am changing it and I am giving the supply, battery supply of 10 volt. Okay, So you can see that there is no deflection. Okay, there is no deflection. I am continuously connecting and disconnecting the battery, but there is no deflection. That means, this means that this is the, for example, if this is the R phase then of primary side, then this is the corresponding phase at the secondary side, right? Let us try for another phase also. Okay, the moment I identify that first terminals are of this primary and secondary, they have been recognized, I will go for another terminal. So I have connected the battery at the second terminal of primary, and second terminal, because first this one is been identified as R phase, so let us recognize this one. So I am continuously connecting and disconnecting the battery. You can see that the deflection is nice amount of deflection I am getting. Okay, now I will connect, I will remove this deflection I am getting, but I will cross verify. I will remove this connection and I will connect here. Okay, so in order to make it a conformity, whether the deflection was quite nice in that phase only or what. Okay, now I am continuously connecting and disconnecting the battery, but you can see that the deflection is nil. That means this phase is been recognized as R phase. This is the primary terminal and this is the secondary terminal of Y phase, and then remaining terminal is going to be B phase. This one is B phase. Okay, so by this test it makes a conformity that this is the R phase of primary, this is the R phase of secondary, Y phase of primary, Y phase of secondary, B phase of primary and B phase of secondary. Okay, so this is all about the phasing out method, which helps us to identify the primary and the secondary winding of each phase. Okay,